Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out fast, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Looks like a chair, but it's backwards, so it happens, you know. But we got an opening, we could cut here, all that good stuff. And we're about to do it right now. Get inside. If I could do this one-handed. Alright, this would be a little trouble. Pretty crazy year so far. Alrighty. If you guys want your products promoted, send me an email and we'll get that rolling. There we go. Oh boy. Let's see if I got this. I got it backwards though. Oh boy. Yep. Shoot. There we go, kitties. Alrighty, YouTubers. Got that. That should be a fun put together. Kill some time. So that's all we have right now. We got a lot of time on our hands. Smash the thumbs up if you are hanging in there. Ooh. This might be a fancy dancy one. We got the executive office chair. Oh, maybe I didn't put it on backwards. They're good. Put you guys right there. Drop you guys down. Here we go. Alrighty. Got that part done. That part. These feel soft. Get over here. Probably saw me, but hello, YouTubers. Oh boy. Yeah, we got some fun stuff put together. I'm gonna get this all out, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the executive chair. Not sure where this is coming from, but it's going to be corrected in title. Really nice. Pretty easy. It took me about a half hour-ish to set up. And here's what it looks like. Really nice. Got the wheels down there. Got that there. And there's the back. Really comfortable, too. Got the 3 switches. And then it goes up. These go up. Just gotta push the button, then it'll rise up, lower down. There you go. Kind of like that. But definitely really comfortable. This seat reclines. That one reclines. And there you go. Pretty much that was an easy one to do. But definitely worth it. Check them out, YouTubers. The link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. So, switches, you just gotta go walk down with you. Oop. Here we go, got the wheels. Still gotta lock in more. So it's still breaking in. And then, flipped up. I think it's over here. This one goes up the seat. You guys can see it up. This one back here reclines. These two. So I don't know if you guys can see it. But right here, you got them. And that one goes up the seat. See, like that. You gotta push it down. There you go. So really cool, YouTubers. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good day.